Very good evening, friends. This is Rahul Magan here as a Group Chief Executive Officer, Treasury Consulting, and also a venture capitalist. As you understand that Treasury Consulting is a multi-dimensional group having research desk, having video trainings, and now entering into the software business also. Our first software, which would be covering hedge accounting, expected to launch by March 2021. And our commodity exchange, excluding trading, would be launching somewhere 15th to 20th February 2021. Hopefully it would start working from the end of February 2021. Trading piece would definitely be coming in 2022 end, not before. In that regards, today we're going to speak about our Sheetal Academy. As you know that Sheetal Academy is a learning arm of Treasury Consulting. The 3 video courses of Sheetal Academy is completely live. Number 1, the basic series in investment banking. This is complete live. Number 2, option derivative moderate series. It is completely live. Number 3, the advanced equity valuation course. It is completely live. By Sunday evening, we would be holding the different virtual conferencing sessions with the members, those who opted for these courses. And hopefully by next week and or virtual conferencing sessions with the members, those who opted for that would be done. And of course, we would be sharing the recording also with the members. And now we have decided, since we are done with the 3 courses, we have decided to launch another 5 courses. And all 5 courses would be live on or before 31st January 2021. So first course which we have decided is the equity option derivatives beginner series. In which we are going to be speaking about equity options. It is a hardcore course which is designed for Indian markets, training course. Number 2 which we are launching is the option derivative advanced series. Option derivative moderate series course via video conferencing to be done this week, and option derivative advanced course to become probably by to start shooting from next week onwards. Penny stock trading, which is again a video course, how you can trade in a penny stock. You know that India is a market where penny stocks are like, without any reason, without any sales, few penny stocks goes till the top, and even with sales, few penny stocks are struggling. In that regards, we are launching a course which is penny stock trading beginner series. 4th course which we are launching is the foreign exchange derivative beginner series. And 5th which we are launching, very important, how to analyze IPO, initial public offering, beginner series. We understand that many IPOs are coming in India, like recently the Burger King IPO is there. I think in 2021, LIC is coming up, and many more IPOs are coming up in the Indian market. So this course we have decided to launch, which is how to analyze IPO, which is beginner series. More or less now we are having around, I think 3 video courses live, and more importantly, more video courses are coming. By June, we are planning around 20 plus video courses, which would be of 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 5,000, 10,000, and some are more than 25,000. And you know that we shot courses using practical knowledge, Reuters, Bloomberg, and more importantly, sharing the public information, that how exactly things are moving. In case you have any question about these courses, you can WhatsApp at 9818485155. But it is better if you WhatsApp next week, because we need few days to design the courses and upload on our website. Once they upload on the website, then you can see and you can join. But yes, by 31st March 2020, by 31st January 2021, these all courses would be live, and they all are video courses. And you know that in our advanced equity valuation course, we shared the formula of basically how to compute the intrinsic value. Having said that, as of now, our research desk is working to compute the indicative value also. and I'm hopeful that very soon we would be able to compute the release our formula to compute the indicative value also. This is Rahul from Treasury Consulting. You know our WhatsApp 9818485155. Have a great time, sir. Thank you.